everyone, I'm Shweta. I work as a professor at MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. So I have joined this government certified yoga volunteer training program which was conducted by Arvind Bhaiya and Narsingh Bhaiya. And it's been a month I have been traveling and doing this program. I found that there's a lot of improvement in my body. Flexibility has improved, and my the thought process, the flow of thoughts, yoga has made me mentally strong also. I could feel the difference between the last month by this time and this month. So within 1 month there was a tremendous change, and also how to train myself, how to be with the how to understand your body, everything. It is really an amazing journey to do this certification course, and I'm very happy that I have done this. Thank you very much, Bhaiya.